In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to empty the trash in Google Photos on your iPhone. This is a quick way to permanently remove photos and videos you've already deleted and free up cloud storage. Just a heads up before we start. Emptying the trash can't be undone, so make sure you're comfortable saying goodbye to anything that's in there. First, open the Google Photos app on your iPhone. Give it a second to load your library. If you use more than one Google account, make sure you're in the one where you want to clear the trash so you don't accidentally remove items from the wrong account. Next, look toward the bottom of the screen and tap Collections. This section organizes different parts of your library, and it's where you'll find tools like your trash. Navigating here keeps things tidy and makes the cleanup process straightforward. Now tap Trash. This is the temporary holding area for items you've already deleted from your library. Think of it like a safety net. Photos and videos come here first in case you change your mind later. You'll see a grid of anything currently in the trash. If it's empty, that means there's nothing to clear. If you see content listed, you're in the right place to finish the cleanup. In the top right corner, tap the three dots icon. This opens a small menu with actions you can take on the trash. From that menu, select Empty Trash. This is the command that removes everything currently in the trash in one go, instead of deleting items one by one. When you select Empty Trash, you'll see a confirmation prompt. Tap Delete to confirm. This is the final step, and it's there to prevent accidental taps. Once you confirm, all items in trash are permanently deleted and can't be recovered. If you don't see the option or it's unavailable, it likely means there's nothing in the trash to remove. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Emptying trash helps free up space in your Google account, which is especially useful if you're nearing your storage limit. If you're cleaning up regularly, this process keeps your library lean and easier to manage. Also, remember that trash is account-wide, so deletions here apply to your Google Photos across devices signed into the same account. And that's it. You've successfully emptied the trash in Google Photos on your iPhone. Keep this routine in mind whenever you do a big photo cleanup to make sure your space is truly cleared.